Good morning, y'all. It's the morning. It's raining right now. It's the next day. What's up, Andrew?
Good morning, guys.
What we finna do today?
Take Austin, car to the
Mechanic, get his cam kit done. He's gonna have like 500 something horsepower, so hit me up if you guys trying to race him soon at the track, Irwindale. This thing is at 415 horsepower, but about to be up to 500 something. It's about to be loud. It's about to be crazy. We're gonna drop it off for like 4 or 5 days, and then we're gonna come back and pick it up. So this car is gonna be crazy loud. I'll show you before and then after too. So yeah. Cold start. He got in his seats, guys. About to be a race car, huh, Osman?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Smoked up right there. I don't know if it's a truck, but something's burning right now. But we're on the way to the mechanic shop. Get his cam kit done. Headers. You got headers, right?
No, stock headers.
Stock headers, and then what are you getting in your car?
Air H headers. State Street Texas Speed cam kit.
State Street Texas cam kit, guys. You heard?
Ported heads.
Quarters head.
And no cats.
Yep. And then his car is straight pipe right now, right?
Yeah.
And he's about to switch it to an X pipe, right? To make it louder? That's
cleaner
lit.
too.
Yeah, cleaner sound, everything. Might not pop, might pop.
What the fuck?
Holy cow, bruh. That's crazy. Damn, what the fuck? That is crazy. That's crazy. Hopefully the guy's okay. That is crazy. I'll see you guys at the mechanic shop. You got a Pontiac right here. It's on E85, huh, Osman?
Yeah,
Probably like cam kits, like 800 horsepower probably. Follow him on Instagram. Shit, they got a GT from Oklahoma. Got shipped here to do his cam kit. Sheesh. Got them racing wheels. Look at that. Damn. Big old tires. That's crazy. Hey, your front looks like that front looks like your car.
No, not really.
Like the side, like the lights and stuff.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
but it's like
Brothers from another mother.
they
That's
got the
crazy.
line back too.
Hey, these rims look like yours too. What the fuck?
I think they are.
Oh shit, you got
Are they?
same rims. Yeah. These are the same rims as yours, I think. Let me check. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it looks the same. But yours bigger though. One last look on this. It's about to be crazy. Crazy. Chevy SS sleeper right here. Quit sleeping on this car, guys. Go buy it. Made it to the guy's garage. He has a Chevrolet and everything. I'll let you guys see right now. It's a Pontiac right there. It's a Chrysler. It's a whole garage in here. A garage sale. Got that Pontiac right there. Chevrolet. Got another Pontiac in there. He got so many cars. These are racing wheels. I wouldn't race this car. There's another Pontiac right here. There's a Cadillac. There's Pontiac. Sheesh. It's crazy. Damn. Got a Cadillac right there. Just copped. All blacked out. That's crazy. Ooh, getting my calipers done. Yellow tomorrow. It'll be in the vlog, so don't worry. You know the vibes. Peace out. See you in 4 days, Chevy SS.
I said I had to keep it slow.
You're gonna miss it, huh? It's all good though. 4 or 5 days is gonna be louder. You guys gonna see it. Alright, it's 7:20 right now. It's been 4 days. We dropped off the car on Friday. Now it's Thursday.
Yeah.
So we're picking up the Chevy SS right now, cammed. How you feel, Osman?
Excited.
Excited? How are you, Victor?
I'm sad. I'm low on gas.
How about you, Andrew?
Bro, I'm happy even though it's not my car though.
Yeah, it's about to be chopping around the street. Rosa Mead. So if you guys see a silver Chevy SS, run it. Nah, I'm playing. No, I was just joking. But yeah, I'll see you guys there though. Made it to you guys' house. About to hear the camp kit, stage 3. You start up. That's crazy loud, bro. Is it loud? It's loud, huh?
Oh yeah.
It's louder. Damn. Something loud. About to open the hood right now, see what's under there. Sheesh. That thing is crazy loud. Hey, flashlight, flashlight.
I got it.
How big the head is. He's gonna do a little pull. Yeah, that shit's fucking loud, bro. Sheesh, that thing is loud. Damn. Look, you guys hear it chopping? Look. Damn, that's crazy.
That thing's loud.
That thing is loud, like loud, loud. Aggressive. Time for E85, huh? Dino too. Damn, this thing is aggressive. Downshift, everything. It's so loud in here. Ooh, that pop. What the?
That's heavy. It sounds like rockets. It sounds like
rockets. The car sounds like a Harley, huh? When you step on it, little by little. Sheesh, this thing is crazy. Stage 3 cam kit. Drive by, so you can hear it. Ooh, a little rev for you guys. That chop chop. Ooh. Ready? You guys ready for this? That's dangerous, huh?
fuck yeah,
dangerously
bro.
loud. Damn, bro. That's hella loud. Jeez. Top Mustang right there. Big ass Chop chop. They wanted a race. Hey, they want a race. They got like 6 people in there. They're the Mustang. All right, go. It killed my ear. Damn. Cops, nah, I'm playing. It's just lights. Ah, look at this Mustang, bro. For real, yeah, but they can. They got like 6 people in there.
Too heavy.
Yep.
It sounded like 4 people. It sounded like